Oh, yep, it's bumped. Are you looking for tactile or linear? Because it changes. Oh, there you go. The Y works! Yay! Oh my gosh. This LED strip is like... It's volume control right now. Ooh! Tactile? Tactile you can use 3203. But if you're like really careful, you can use 205. You just have to make sure not to get it on the legs. And then for springs, you use 105. I typically use 3203, but you can use 205G. And 205G you can use for linears. So if you don't want to get like multiple in case you change later, like you can try 205. I would suggest getting both and then seeing which one you like. Yeah, you can use GS1. Oh. Wait, this is the voice. Ooh. Okay, so now we put on keycap. You can use dielectric grease for your stabs, but if it's just switches, use 205. Yeah. You got too many tacos in you? I wish I had tacos. Escape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can back loop if you're lazy like me, or you can individually loop. I know a handful of people who do that as well. But I'm hella lazy. When it comes to certain things. U-W-E-R, don't remember you. U is right by the E. I thought about buying these like keycap cases just so like I could have it more organized, but I don't know. That's a cute set.